Hello everybody, I just got this Kastar charger plus one battery. It's a three battery charger, and it comes in a bundle, so you can either have two batteries or three batteries or one battery. So I put the bundle, one charger and one battery for $20. Here's the box, and I don't know if this is the part number. Maybe that's their part number, not sure. Anyways, the brand is Kastar. I got it off eBay for $20. There's the what you call that? The time to charge and use. I don't have my glasses on. Comes with this paper. I already opened it, both of them. And here's the battery itself for the Max. So I don't know if it's gonna work with my GoPro Max. So I won't find out until I test it. So hopefully it works. Alright, so on the side there's two ports there. There's a micro USB on the right and micro USB-C on the left. Right now I'm charging, I'm using micro USB-C. The cable that comes with it is micro USB, and since micro USB-C is faster, so I'm using micro USB-C since I have extra cables for that. So I don't have any other battery to charge. I'm gonna try it again with to charge original GoPro battery. Hopefully it'll work on this one too. Right now the one that is charging is the one that came with a bundle. That's battery here. So for the whole set, just this is what you see plus a USB, micro USB. It's $20, and the price goes up the more battery you want to add in the bundle. All right, so let me let me get this completely charged. I'll put in my GoPro and see if it works. And I'm going to charge a GoPro battery in here too. See if that will work. See if it works too. Okay. So right, it's done charging. I didn't pay attention on how long it charged, but it's charging. Anyway, I'm going to test it on this GoPro Max. This is the GoPro Max battery, so see if it's compatible. And let's see. Is the red. Power on. And it works 100%. So it's compatible with my GoPro. And I don't know how long will this last, but I should leave it on for whole day. See if it, yeah, I'll test it. I'm gonna leave it on record video, and I'll see it. It's like 11:35 already my time, so I'm gonna let it run, let it drain, and charge it again. See how long it'll last. I need to put an SD card because no SD card. All right. Now I'm on video. I'm gonna record. Now I'm gonna time myself. It's 11:45. So I'm gonna let it run. See how long it lasts. All right. Not sure if the camera can pick it up, but it's down to 13%, and it's about 50 minutes and 48 seconds. And again, we did the formatting too, so it's probably about an hour. Anyway, I'm gonna put the original battery too and let it run. See how long we compare. That way we have a comparison how long it lasts. And I'll charge them both in the new charger. I want to see if we can charge the original battery too. Alright, so I'm gonna let it drain all the way down to almost dead, I guess, 1%. Okay. So So right, it passed an hour and still got 4% left. So the battery is good. It lasts over an hour. So I'm just gonna stop this one now. This is already over an hour, and I'm gonna put the original battery and let it run for another until the battery dies. Then I'll charge them together. All right. Let's see. Camera, focus, 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 focus. Battery, power, and 4K recording. Okay. All right. I start the 4K recording. See, still showing 4% there. Power off. Power up. Choo, choo, choo. Open battery. Pull the battery. Hot. Battery hot, hot, hot. The whole camera's hot. So it might not be fair. I don't know, because the battery's gonna be hot. I mean, the camera's hot, so I don't know how much. If it heats, it makes a difference on how fast the battery will drain. But this is the original one, GoPro Max battery. So put that in. Lock it. Power on. And it's at 99%, which is okay. Start recording. Same settings. How long will it last? Okay. I'll be back when it's almost like 0 or 4 or 5%. Okay. Big difference in battery life. Alright, so here's the charger again. It's on a USB-C, and I'm gonna put the Kastar battery. I should put the how much mAh in this one. It says 1600, and for this one original, I have to read it, but I think it's 1600 too. Anyway, but this thing lasts only an hour and a few minutes. This one lasts over an hour and a half. So this is better, the expensive one. So let me see if it charges on the Kastar charger. Yep, it's working. So it does charge the battery here without putting it in the camera anymore. I don't need to put it in the camera. I can still use the camera and while this thing is charging. Alright, so if there's any issue with this one, with this charger, I'll add it on this video. If not, then I'll end it right now. Alright, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and hope this helps. Alright, hope to see you next time. Goodbye.